and thanks for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. I hope you people are doing so well. First of all, I would like to say good morning to all of you. In this video, we are going to give you some tips and we are going to show you some design that you can make into your workshop or at home, and then you can sell it online on the e-commerce store and earn a handsome amount of money by investing your precious time in this wooden art technique. Wooden art as a project have been popular from centuries and they continue to be valuable source of income for people looking to earn money online. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to sell your creations and in the interest and earn some extra cash for your kitchen. In this article, we will explore some of the best wooden art and the project ideas that
So let's get started. A piece of high quality wood, preferably hardwood. Choose a size suitable for your design. Sandpaper, wood glue, clamps, wood stain and the paint, varnish and the sealant, protective gloves, safety goggles, measuring tape or the ruler, pencil, circular saw or a hand saw, and a chainsaw, power drill with a drill bit suitable for making charging cable hole, finishing nail or a brad nail optional. Being sketching your desired wooden design on the wood using a pencil, ensure it provides stability and the comfortable viewing angle for your project. Take accurate measurement to each component of the top, including the base, basket, backrest and the side support. Using a circular saw to handy saw, carefully cut the wooden pieces accordingly to your measurement. Remember to wear safety gear when the goggle and take all necessary precautions while using power tools. Smooth the surface of all wooden components using sandpaper. Start with coarse grit or the remove any rough edges or the splinters. Then progress to a medium and a fine grits for a polished finish. Apply wood glue to the joint surface of the base, backrest and the side support, joining the component together, aligning them accurately and secure them with a clamp. Wipe off the additional element, allow the glue to dry and according to the manufacturer instructions. Once the glue dry, remove the clamps and inspect the work of any imperfection. If desired, apply wood stain and paint to enhance the aesthetic of a dark, allow it to dry completely. Optionally apply a coat of